So, ayan guys. Magbubukbang tayo ngayon ng salad. Sarap ng pineapple.
What's that then?
Masarap siya pag hindi masyadong matamis, hindi rin siya masyadong maasim, di ba?
Movie?
Sarap.
Officers are proof of your stupidity. Money you took from your bank will go towards.
How about that?
Bail me out because I have a job, and I thought that given your skill set, that maybe you could help us out.
Say that?
Take the thing.
You say no?
Nagtrabaho na nga.
Out of state.